Montessori language class. Teach your child to read and write with our free online tutorials.
Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn letter E and F and their sound. This is E. E says eh. Say eh. Elephant. Elephant. Egg. Egg. Eggplant. Eggplant. Elk. Elk. This is F. F says say fan. Fan. Frog. Frog. Ox. Fox. Flag. Flag. Do you have this worksheet with you? You are going to cut this worksheet around the dotted line. And when you are done cutting, put all the pieces next to you. Are you ready with your pieces? Okay, let's move. When we say elephant, what first sound we make? Elephant. Elephant goes under A. Do you have picture of elephant? Put that under A. When we say fan, what first sound we make? And fan goes under. Put picture of fan under egg, egg, egg. Eggplant, eggplant, egg. Frog, frog. Ox, fox. Flag, flag. Elk, elk, eh. Okay, let's move on to next one. Here we are going to play I Spy game. Let me show you. I spy my little eye something start with A. Let's find something start with A. Do you see anything start with A? Oh, here it is. I found one. Eggplant. Eggplant. Let's circle that. Now we are done with this A, so we are going to circle this too. I spy with my little eye something start with F. Oh, here it is. Flag. Flag. We are done with this F. We are going to circle that too. Now you are going to find rest of the picture and their first sound. Start with F and A. What picture is this? Frog. Frog. What is the first sound? Let's find that. Oh, here it is. Now you are going to find rest of the pictures first sound and there circle them. When you are done, we can move on to next one. Here we are going to learn how to write E and F. A, We're going to start here with the black dot and follow this arrow. Let me show you. Can you trace E on your worksheet? Now we are going to trace one more time. Okay, we're gonna move here and trace on F. Again, we are gonna start with the dot here. Can you trace on yours? Let's trace one more time. Are you done tracing on F? Good, you did it. We are done with today's lesson. See you next time. Bye bye.